Are you comfortable? First tell me.
I am.
Do you have enough space? Are your legs, I hope they're not cramped, are they?
My butt like just touches the railing.
Okay.
Grab rail.
But then we are slightly bigger than average, aren't we?
True, true.
So guys, I don't know if you guys can tell. This is how two people sitting on this bike look. Man, the things we do.
More
Okay.
faster than average people.
Yeah. I'm just going to get riding and see if it has enough torque to pull 175 kilos. Srini, what I really like about this bike is it's very light and the turning radius is very generous.
Nice. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it was able to get on easily. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem.
It's the same.
It's the same. Feels the same. Fourth gear, 50 kilometers an hour, you and me riding easily. Okay, guys, two people on the bike. We are in the fourth gear. I'm just going to open the throttle and see how it goes. No problem, man, goes easily. The bike has enough torque to pull the both of us heavyweights. In the fifth gear, doing about 85 nicely. We are climbing a flyover, holding 85 in the fifth. I have enough space on the seat. Srini says he's slightly cramped on the bike. Here, now that we don't have anybody really behind us, I'm going to go down to the second gear, actually third. I'll slow down and see if it, if it has enough torque to pull the both of us in second. No, I just want to see if it rides in second. It's struggling. What about first? Nope. It needs throttle. One person it was pulling very easily. Two people definitely not without the throttle. Again, these are just extremes to show you what can happen, what cannot happen, who is going to ride without throttle. So guys, this is how much space there is for a pillion to sit. The bike's dirty because I did the trail on it yesterday. Okay, wait. Seats, yeah, I'm fine. Seats not too short, small. You can grab onto the grab rail. Slightly longer seat may have worked well. Slightly longer. I'm fine on the bike, yeah. I really am. How will it feel for a woman to sit on the bike like wearing a sari?
How will it what?
See, what about family people? People who wear sari and all. They also sit on the bike. No, they'll sit one side. McDonald's is right here. I'll sit like that.
At your own risk.
Yeah, man, let's see. Okay.
You'll have to hold.
Yeah, I'll fucking hold on to you, man, if I have to.
Better.
Don't move the bike, okay? I just want to sit and see. What do I grab onto? Yeah, people with a big derriere. Yeah, they won't fit. Okay, let's go, man. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh God. Oh man, I do not advise anybody to sit like this on the bike.
Even women.
Still, man. Yeah, okay. So you'd be holding on to your husband or your brother or whoever's riding, or another woman. We don't discriminate. Everybody can ride. So yeah. Pillion comfort.
But sitting like this.
Dude, you look ahead, okay? I'm gonna kill you if I fall.
But sitting like this.
Yeah.
Makes the bike go turn towards the
Of course, because the weight is distributed on at one end. Yeah. But it's not difficult, okay? It's not hard. Huh? It's not, because you're riding slow. So I'm okay. I'm comfortable on the bike. I think this makes for a better thumbnail, man. Yeah.
At the end of the day, whatever attracts more people, right?
Yeah, man. So McDonald's is right here. We are almost... People would be looking at us and thinking, you know, what are these guys doing? These fools. Oh man. But it's comfortable. Yeah. I don't mind it. First time I'm sitting like this on a bike.
There's a first time for everything.
Dude, it's here. Easy. I don't want to fall. Ruk ja, bhai, ruk ja. Oh man, this is fun. This is so stupid. Oh man, this is stupid. But this is fun, yeah. Okay. Now, on a serious note, when you were sitting pillion, what did you think?
I was constantly scared of falling back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you need that.
So you would.
I need to hold the rider.
Yeah.
If you don't-
You weren't holding on to me, right? I don't think
I
so.
was just holding on to your shoulder.
Okay. So you say that, you know, a backrest would be advisable,
Yeah, because again, I'm a taller person, so I have a large torso.
right?
So when you accelerate, I'll just go back.
Sun is what I'll stand over here and ask. Yeah. Okay. So
I have a large torso, so I will go back.
okay.
So it's good for a pillion to have that. For you
Right.
to have that pillion backrest.
Will you just sit pillion on it and we'll see? Come on, you're a strong boy.
So
Okay. Right.
I don't really have much room,
Yeah.
so you just go back
Oh, okay.
all the time.
All right.
So you need to either hold, or there's nothing to hold here also.
Yeah, no strap, nothing. I wish the grab rails were a little more prominent for something to hold on to.
Even if you do hold here,
Yeah.
you still feel
Yeah.
this
So
part is suspended.
I think people who carry pillion, a little backrest for them would be advisable.
It sure would be. It would doing them a favor either.
Absolutely.
But otherwise, pretty comfortable. I was actually skeptical of this one carrying two full-grown adults, but it did with ease.
Yeah, plenty of talk.
Plenty of
Like I
talk.
didn't, when I was riding it, I didn't feel that, you know, there is somebody sitting behind dragging the motorcycle down.
It wasn't. It was pretty decent. Yeah.
Same. So guys, this was a quick, you know, video of how the motorcycle feels with two people with a pillion. So we've done a pillion test as well. How, you know, if somebody is wearing a sari and sitting on the bike,
We've done that.
how they will feel. Oh, this comes stock, the helmet lock, it comes stock on the bike.
That's pretty nice.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
That's the useful things.
Yep, true.
Little things, but useful things.
Absolutely, I think so too. And the suspension is rear suspension is adjustable for preload. So if you're finding it too stiff, you know, you can sort of change the setting and make it slightly softer.
Nice.
Okay, so we are going to wrap up this review over here. Thank you so much, Srini, for helping me out. Okay, so time to end this. Bye bye. Thank you.